Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. Let's make a simple ghee rice. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker, add in whole spices, onion, green chilli, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Add in basmati rice, water, salt. Bring everything to a boil. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles. The complete recipe is in the description. Now let's make marinade for paneer tikka. Take yogurt, kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, Kashmiri chili powder, cumin powder, chaat masala powder. Mix it really well. This is your marinade. I added some salt also. Now add in paneer cubes. This is my homemade paneer. I have the recipe in my Insta story. Check it out. Cook paneer tikka on all sides in some butter or ghee. That's it. Your paneer tikka is done. Now let's pack the lunch box. So I'm adding ghee rice, paneer tikka with a little lemon wedge, yogurt. For snacks box, it is banana and dried apricots. This is what I packed in my kids' lunch box today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.